welcome to today's tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to sing and play River by Joni Mitchell. It's one of those songs where it's kind of Christmassy, but not Christmassy, but it's just a beautiful song. So I'm going to be sharing you how I play the song. Okay, so I'm going to show you my hands first of all. Hopefully you can see them. There we go. And we're going to start with the D minor. So we have a D minor here, but I'm actually going to be playing it like this. Okay, so you can see we've got the A, the C, the D, and the F. Okay, and then we're going to have the C in the bass. And the reason why I'm positioning the D minor like this is because we're then moving to the second inversion of C. So can you see how easy that is? That's what we're going to be doing for the majority of the verse. So we're going to sound like this. It's coming on for Christmas. They're cutting down the trees. Okay? So we're just going to practice this. And you can literally have one finger with your right hand, or you might want to put your thumb in there. And you can just practice this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to be moving on. I'm just going to get the track up. So as you can see, it's D minor C over C, D minor C over C, D minor C over C. It's nice and easy. And then we're going to go to the A minor. Again, I'm using that same pattern. 2 in and 2 out. And then I'm doing a cluster chord, so it's actually the G chord, but I'm adding the A. Okay? So we'll go from here. I'm going to show you that again. To the A in the left hand, and we have that cluster A minor, which is kind of the second inversion of A with the G. And then we're moving. And that's pretty much most of the song. So if I was to sing you that song, if we go from the beginning, okay, we've got the D minor C. So we've got, it's coming home for Christmas. They're cutting down the trees. They're putting up the reindeers and singing songs of joy and peace. And then I'm going to move this up. Whoa, I wish I had a river that I could skate away on. And then we're going to go back to here. But it don't snow here, it stays pretty green. I'm gonna make a lot of money and I'm gonna quit this crazy scene. And then we're gonna go back to the A minor. So again, I'm just gonna move it up. Back to the A minor. Oh, I wish I had a river that I could skate away on. And then we're gonna play the F. So I'm doing that F root claw chord, but I wish I had a river so long. And again, I've got that cluster G. Then we're going to go to the second inversion. I would teach my feet to fly high. So I've gone from the F, which is kind of the A minor with the F, then to the E, and again using that 2 in and 2 out. So once you've got this pattern, the great thing about patterns, this is what I teach in Piano Vocal Success and all my other courses, is I teach you patterns. And then you can kind of keep that hand like that and kind of go like, you know, you've got your A minor, your D minor, your E minor, and it works beautifully, yeah? So if we go back to, I'm going to make a lot of money. I'm going to make a lot of money and I'm going to quit this crazy scene. Oh, I wish I had a river I could skate away on. I wish I had a river so long. I would teach my feet to fly. Oh, I wish I had a river I would skate away on. And then we've got the F sharp. Now made my baby cry. So the left hand is going. Whatever, different variants, but it's the same kind of like just that groove. So that's pretty much the whole song, all the way through, and then it goes D minor, D minor, C. But you know that anyway, so you can literally just take those chords. So let's show you. I'm going to show you again, and then I'm going to sing you the whole song so that you get an idea of how beautiful it can sound. And I'm always changing. This is the thing about improvising around chords is, you know, sometimes I might play the G down here. Sometimes I might play the G up here, second inversion, or the first inversion. Yeah, so I'm always changing the way I'm playing. And you'll see when I'm actually playing the whole song, you will see, I'll keep the piano up so you can see how far I go with all these different chords and these inversions, okay? So I'm just going to recap what we've got. We've got the D minor over the C, then back to the C second inversion. And then we're going to move to the A minor. And again, it's that same pattern. With those cluster chords. Then we're going to go back to D minor. Then back to that A minor. And then back to the G. And then we're going to go to the F. So, sorry, I've just got to scroll it up. And then we've got a... and I've got like a G4 there with a cluster chord. F sharp, sorry, F minor. And then back to the C. And then back to the C. So I'm going to play you the whole song all the way through. And you're going to see how I use the chords. But really, it's quite a simple song. It's coming on for Christmas. They're cutting down the trees. They're putting up the reindeers and singing songs of joy and peace. Oh, I wish I had a river I could skate away on, but it don't snow here, it stays pretty green. They're gonna make a lot of money and I'm gonna quit this crazy scene. No, I wish I had a river that I could skate away on. I wish I had a river so long I would teach my feet to fly. Ooh, I wish I had a river I could skate away on. Now made my baby cry. Trying so hard to help me, he put me at ease. You know I love me so naughty, it made me weak at the knees. Oh, I wish I had a river I could skate away on. I wish I had a river so long I would teach my feet to fly. Ooh, I wish I had a river I could skate away on. No, I made my baby say goodbye. could skate away on. So, as you can see, they're just cluster chords. So if you would like to learn more about how I teach piano, singing and songwriting, click on the link below. I have a free PDF guide that's going to be sharing with you how easy it is to accompany your voice with chords, and not only that, be able to write your own songs. And if you've enjoyed this tutorial, please click the subscribe button below.